Alright, I'm on my matching the.
Hi YouTubers, this video was requested by a guy or a girl named YXless. He was wondering how to install OBS Studios. So yeah, YXless, I'm gonna show you how to install OBS Studios. So the first thing you need to do, YXless, is go to Google and search OBS Studio. Click on this link here, and yeah, you can choose which one you're using. I'm using Windows, so yeah, click the Windows button. Okay, install the Windows file, and after you install it, run it and install it to your Windows. After you install the application, the program, however you call it, go to the OBS, and here you can make scenes, crime scenes. So this is my scene 2, this is scene 3. You can make like only your face like this. Yeah, I don't want to use this one. And scene 4 I made without the webcam. And scene 5 is like this, not good. Yeah, scene 2. So you can go to settings here. You need to go to settings, and you can have the settings the way that I have YXless or other. Sorry, I'm not. Sorry about me pronouncing your name, your YouTube name. Let me see. In general, this is. I don't think I've touched anything here. It's like this. So yeah, you can pause the video. I think it should be the same in your settings. And the stream, yeah, this is a different video. I need to make a different how-to video with the streaming. It's a bit more complicated. Yeah, output. I've left it like this. Recording. There is standard. There is where you want to record your files. Audio track. Yeah, yada yada. Rate control. It's the same formula here, dude. YXless. It's bitrate 3500 as well. Rate control is CBR. CPU is very fast. Let me see, audio, it's supposed to be like this. Replay, nothing. And audio, I've put in my headphones here. So you can choose if you want to have the speakers from your laptop, PC, or headphones. For me, it works the best with the headphones. Desktop, yeah, this is my microphone, small penis here. So, yeah, let me see. So decay rate, fast, sample B, default. Yeah, I don't think you should play too much with these toys, these buttons. These toys. Sorry, crap. Okay, video. In the video section, I've left it 1920 1080p here as well, and downscale here. Yeah, the downscale filter is Lanczos sharpening scale 36 samples. Yeah, if you just copy these settings, YXless, you should be fine with the recording. And the great thing about OBS is free. It doesn't cost anything like Bandicam. I've earlier bought Bandicam, but yeah, this one is much better. Sorry about my English, guy. Okay. Yeah, this is the hotkeys. Here you can choose the buttons to start recording and stop. Here, start streaming, and here is the start recording button, the stop, and things like that. Yeah, this is the switch to screen with the num2. I can switch the screens. Yeah, it's a lot of buttons here you can customize. advanced. Here I've chosen above normal. Yeah, so these are my settings. So yeah, try this out, YX Ledger, and let me know what you think, if it works for you. If you have any issues, let me know in the comment section. I will help you out as much as I can with my bad English. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye bye, YouTubers. Peace out. Take care.